In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to create a group email in Gmail. Let's get started. A group email lets you send one message to multiple contacts at the same time using a single name. To create this, launch your Google browser, click on these dots. Now different options will appear. Navigate to the option Contacts. Click on it and you will be directed to this page. Here, navigate to the option Labels. Click on this plus option. Now give it a name. After you do that, click on Save. Now navigate to Contacts. Go ahead and select the contacts to whom you want to add. Then click on this icon given over here, Manage Labels. Select the label that you have just created and click on Apply. With that, you have just created a group email. Now you can navigate to your Gmail. Go ahead and compose a mail. In the recipient box, type in the label name that you have just created. Once it appears, click on it. Gmail will automatically add all contacts from that group. Now write your message and hit send. And that's it. This way you can easily create a group email in Gmail. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.